Yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to use gamepad to play game on your phone. Yes. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can connect your pad to your phone in order to play PPS game or any other game on your phone. In case you are not having a laptop, in case you are not having a television of which you can use the pad to play the game on, you can simply use your phone to just play a game of which you feel so comfortable. And let me show you how you just do that. And before you can just do that, you need two devices. You will need two devices, and it's not any other device than these two devices. Okay, that is it. So let me just take you through to these two devices. So in the first place, the device that you first of all have to need is this device. Okay, we call it the OTJ. Okay, as you can see, this is the OTJ on the go device. Okay, for us to use what the OTJ, that's on the go device, to help us connect our D-pad, that is our pad, the pad that we use to play normal game. That we can use this OTJ to connect our pad to our phone to play simple game on our phone. So this is how you are going to use the OTJ and the pad in order to help you play your game on your phone. For example, I'm going to use this D-pad to play PPSP on my phone. Okay, so this is how it goes. You first of all have to insert the OTJ into your charger system, okay, where you charge or where you plug in your charger. Okay, so then you just insert it there, you push it, and you see a notification which says enable OTJ connected with the OTJ cable. Go to settings and turn on OTJ. So you go to settings here, you go to settings, then you turn on OTJ. Okay, OTJ here. So I just turn it on. After turning it on, I'll be notified. Okay, connected. So insert it to where the OTJ is. So after inserting it, you need to make sure that your pad is being lighted. Okay, your pad is being lighted. So if the pad is not being lighted, it means that the pad is not working or the OTJ is not being inserted well. So you need to do it until the light here, the light on the pad, whenever you just insert the pad to, let's say, any device, like maybe gaming device, the light has to show that it is being connected. So when the light is not on, it means the thing is not well connected. So you need to make sure that it is connected properly. So I'll just do it. You can see now the light is on, which means I can use this pad on the phone. I can use this pad on this phone. Okay, so this is how it goes. So we are going to use this pad to play PPSP football, so that you guys will know that there's something you can easily do with your phone. There we go. So I will locate to my PPSP app, that is the PPSP emulator. Here is it. Okay, I am using the good one. Okay, maybe if your phone is blue, no problem, you can still use it. Okay, then I punch on the go this thing. Then here you could see the PPSP has been opened. Okay, and these are my PPSP games. Okay, so I'm going to use the pad, this pad, to play PPS game in terms of football. Okay, so this is how it goes. So this is how it goes. Then I just click on the football. Okay, it is running. So this is how it is when you open the PPS app on the football. That is what you are going to get, depending on the version or the year of the football that you are using. Mine is 2021. So after it has come, you just place with the star this thing. Okay, you say place on the star. Okay, so this is how you are going to select the game you are just going to use. Okay, so you have this D-pad here. Okay, we have this D-pad here. Okay, that's the direct pass, that the up, the down, the right and the left. Okay, you can use this one. You have the analog too. Okay, and we have these features too. okay, we have these features, and we also have the throttling. Okay, this feature, we have the right feature and also the left. So this is how you are going to do. I'm going to show you the steps. So if first of all I have to go back. When you go back, or you just go back, then you go to game settings. Okay, you can see game settings, so you go there and you can see the control. You have the graphics, the audio, you have the control here. Okay, then you go to the control. When you go to control, then you quickly go to control mapping. Okay, with control mapping, it will help you to direct the keys on the pad here to the phone. Okay, so you go there, you can see we have the D-pad app. Okay, the D-pad app is here. Then you assign it to the top key. Okay, you place on the top key, you have the D-pad down here, you place the down one, you have the D-pad left here, you use what, the left key, you have the D-pad right here, you choose the right key. Okay, then you come to the O, as we normally call it, O. So then you come here, the O is here. Okay, then you place the O, you have the X, you place the X, you assign it to X, you have the box, you assign it to the box, and you have the triangle, you assign it to the triangle key. Okay, then you come to the start, so you can see the start here. Okay, this is the start button, then you place on it. You have the select button, you also select. We have the left, you can see here we have these 4 keys here. Okay, these 4 keys are the one here, the one which is named here, the left side is the area you are talking about. So you place on that and you go to the R here, to here is the R, then you assign it. Then you come to the analog app, then you assign it to the analog app. Okay, then it has come, then you go to the analog down, you bring it down, then you go to the analog left. Where is left? You bring it here, then you go to the analog right, so you bring the analog to right side, and that's all. Okay, so let me show you how you can just use the pad to play the game simply. Okay, so then you go back, then you press continue. So now I have assigned them, so I'm just using the pad to control these keys. Okay, you can see I can use this key, but I don't want to use the key, so I just use the pad. Okay, you can see it is going. Okay, I'm using the pad to control it. Okay, so let me select, let me also go to exhibition, I go click and I choose any of the teams that I want to use to play. Okay, let's say I want to use this team to play. Okay, then I go. Okay, so you can see I want to use the D-pad to play the game without using my phone. Okay, so this is how it should be. Then I just place. Okay, so we are starting. Okay, you can see the keys on the screen are there. You can choose to put them off by going to phone settings, going to settings on the PPSP, go to control, and you can see we have on screen control, then you take it off. After taking it off, you can see the keys are not displayed on the screen. So I'm using the PPS, using the pad to play. Okay, you can see. Okay, let me shoot. Okay, you can see. So my guys, this is how we use the D-pad in relation to the OTJ to play game on the PPSP. Thank you very much.